Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I want to share two useful tips regarding Samsung Galaxy Watch. Also I have this elegant looking design from MD Watch Faces that's available for giveaway. So don't forget to check it out. If you use your Galaxy Watch for a lot of text, then make sure you are using this useful feature. For example, I'm writing a text in Messages app. Since Galaxy Watch has a little screen, often it's difficult to write text and typos can happen. In order to avoid typos, simply try out this trick. So just long press on your home key when you are typing. And now you can use your voice to dictate text. This is really handy and it's something similar to voice typing from Google's Gboard. So try it out if you use Samsung keyboard a lot. Next, if you are using Galaxy Z Flip or Z Fold, open the camera app on your phone in flex mode. A little camera icon will pop up on your watch face. You have to just tap it to open camera controller app on your Galaxy Watch. I think this is really cool for taking selfies and group shots. Now moving on to the watch face design, this is MD327, a classic one from the developer. For giveaway, just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Here our time is highlighted in this section that also shows day, date and if you have any notification or not. The rest of this section shows sunset sunrise indicator with step counter plus battery percentage is highlighted here in this meter form. Talking about customization, you can change a lot of things with this face. For example, first you can change color of background information like this. Then you can change the color of time highlighted here. In the same way you can change color combination with seconds, date, battery meter, plus you can also change the theme here, like making it lighter or darker. In the end, we have few settings for complications, so check it out, a classic one from Matteo Dini. Also don't forget to subscribe as I'll be comparing watchOS 10 with Wear OS 4 soon. And that was all about for today's episode. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.